Hi, my name is Khaled. Welcome back to the Smartman channel. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 things poor people do that the rich don't. I hope you are ready.
Number 1. Poor people watch TV and the rich people read books. How many hours you spend in front of the TV? And where was the last time you read a book? How many books do you read per year? Number 2. Poor people, they blame others for their own failure, and the rich people take responsibility for their own failure. You see, poor people is always blame their own failure on somebody else. Like, it's the economy, it's the government, it's my boss, it's my job, it's my city, it's my neighbor, it's my friend. It's always somebody else. They never blame their own fault. Rich people take responsibility for their life. They take responsibility for their own action. When you take responsibility, what happens? You gain power. The power to change. The power to do something different. Remember, blame people, blame people. Number 3. Poor people focus on saving and the rich people focus on investing. You know what? Don't drink a coffee at Starbucks in the morning. Try to save a few money here and there. Why you don't travel on business class? Fly on economy. Here is the thing. A penny saved is a penny earned. Try to save a few money. You won't get rich just by few saving. You don't have saving problem, you have an income problem. So you need to earn a lot of money so you could invest. Number 4. Poor people think they know it all and the rich people continuously learn. You see, poor people are always very opinionated. They are always want to tell to the world about their opinions, about politics, about sports, about society, about the government, about all the single thing that around them, versus being humble, willing to learn. Rich people always want to learn, asking a question, listening, reading a books, continuously to learn. Remember, your income can only go to your extent you do. Your wealth can grow as fast as possible, so learn continuously to give your opinion. Finally, number 5. Poor people have lottery mentality and the rich people have an action mentality. You see, more people, they believe only way to get rich through buying lottery tickets. Even they know their chances winning is slim to none. Hopefully, if I win, I'm gonna buy a house, I'm gonna take vacation, I'm gonna buy a new car. No. Rich people have an action mentality. They believe if it's going to be, it's up to me. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna make myself successful. So take action, say, I'm gonna make it happen. So those fighting poor people do that, the rich don't. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click subscribe, like, share to others to learn and grow. Leave your thought on your comment section below and turn on notification. You will get every Sunday new videos. Much love. God bless you all. That's for me today. I will see you on the next